Then number 3, Macindano from school. Line number 4, from school. Lane number 5, Moira Wamboy from Aquasha.
This event helps my kid to connect with other children. It helps him to know that there are people who can perform better than him. So it makes him work. And
it's a great platform in the sense that when the children are competing with other children from different teams, they get to see that they are probably not the best. And so it gives them an opportunity to keep doing, to keep practicing.
And we expect this to be the growth moving forward. With our upcoming events, actually just tomorrow we'll be hosting our coaches forum. And this for us to be able to engage our coaches to know in terms of our events.